How's it having your Lauren back?
I like it. 5 stars. Two thumbs up.
Why do you insist if I shove a camera in your face, you have to shove one in mine?
It's just, I believe it's called mutually assured destruction.
Insufferable vlogger couple types.
Listen.
So, what do you want to do now?
I don't know why I'm so hungry today.
Because you ate like 2 pancakes and a banana. Not even a banana, half a banana, and then like 1 rice cake. That's not like food for a day.
Pancakes always feels like a lot to me, even if I only have 2 pancakes.
Pancakes does feel like a lot, but when you only have 2 and you don't have any sides, like that kind of isn't that actually that much food.
You're right. I should have gone for the scrambled eggs.
Imagine if
I felt like I was overdoing it. Neither of us can remember, but we remember it was fucking hilarious.
It was definitely funny at the time. It probably isn't even funny now. What do you think? Is this a flattering angle?
It's an interesting angle.
No, okay.
Probably not the most flattering.
Yeah, it would have to be like up over here.
Yeah, I don't know. If I included this in like a video, you'd probably hate me.
Flip the screen around. Actually, I don't hate that.
I just kind of like the cards kind of splaying out of your head.
Like, you want me looking down the barrel, or you want me looking off camera like it's an interview style? I don't know.
Whatever you're feeling.
I know it's more candid. It's more authentic, real life.
I mean, it's all like very constructed authenticity anyway, so.
Ain't it just? Ain't it just?
Can we watch Gordon Ramsay tonight? Yay! Yay!